Good afternoon everyone. So in today's discussion we'll talk about the structure of formal letter writing for GT. So we are following these steps to write an impressive formal writing. First of all, we'll write down dear or name. Then what is the reason for writing the letter? Then in paragraph 1 we'll write about the first point with detail. In paragraph 2 we'll talk about the second point with detail, then sign and your name. So this was the structure. Now we are going to see an exemplar. Here is an example of formal letter. You have a spare room in your apartment that you would like to rent out to a student. We are going to talk about in this that there is a spare room at your apartment and you want to give it for the rent to any student. Write a letter to the student accommodation officer of local college. So this is where, so here we have to write a letter to the student accommodation officer of this local college. So in this letter we are going to focus on these points only, on these bullet points. First is where your apartment is located. We have to write the place of the apartment, then when the room will be available, what are your requirement for the student to stay there. So these are the bullet points which we need to cover before writing our formal letter. So in the same way as we have discussed here, we'll start our writing with the dear and name. So in the same way we have written dear sir or ma'am. Fine. Second point which we were following, that reason for writing letter. So if we just read this, I would like to let you know that I reside in Vasant Vihar complex located in Model Town. So my apartment is 2 BHK and is situated in one of the safest colonies in the city. So this is the reason we have mentioned in the very beginning that my apartment is situated in Vasant Vihar complex and it is in Model Town. So apartment is 2 BHK and it's situated in the safest colonies in the city. Currently I am sharing the extra room with a friend. He says that I am sharing the extra room with one of my friends. However, he is about to leave this city. He says that the friend with whom he is sharing the apartment is about to leave the city and move to his hometown. So the person is moving to his hometown by the end of the month. So if we just go through this part, this was the paragraph in which he has explained about the main reason of writing. Fine. Now we'll move to the another part. We'll talk about paragraph 1. So this is paragraph 1. What was in this? Write about the first point with detail. Now we'll talk about the first point in detail in this paragraph. So I am looking for another roommate. Now he says that he was looking for another roommate. If you can refer anybody, he says to the high authority that if he can arrange anybody with whom he can live, it would be of great help. I do not expect anything much from the other person. He says that he doesn't have too many expectations from the person, but a few things. He says, I just wanted a few things from the person who is going to accompany him, considering that I came from a vegetarian background. He says that I belong to a vegetarian background. I would not be comfortable living with anybody who consumes non-vegetarian food items. He says he will not be comfortable with the person who consumes non-vegetarian food. This was paragraph 1. Now what was there in paragraph 2? It was write about the second point with the details. Then he says also it would be great if the person is a non-smoker. He says that in the the person who is going to live with him should be non-smoker and non-alcoholic. The rent for my house, my apartment is rupees 10,000. He then again adds something to that the rent for his apartment is 10,000 per month. Then he says we will share rent, groceries and electricity bill. Other than the rent, he says that we'll share these things like groceries and electricity bills. So then he says, in case you know anybody, he requests that if he knows anyone, kindly refer as soon as possible. So this was about our writing paragraph 2. Now after that we have sign off. Sign off means we have written yours sincerely and your name, Daman. Thank you.